Hey everybody, welcome to the video that I'm going to call Solving Rubik's Cube for Beginners. We're going to start off with a scrambled cube, and we're going to learn in this video an easy system that I use to solve the cube from any position. First step is to designate a top and a bottom. I typically choose yellow as my top and white as my bottom. The next step is to create a cross consisting of a yellow center and 4 white corners. Let's get to it. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's our cross on the top. The next step is to create a cross consisting of the white center and 4 white corners on the bottom side. We're going to do that as follows. Notice I'm matching the center square of each side that I'm turning this white corner to with its corresponding color on top. We'll do that all the way around. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. And there's our cross on the bottom. Next step, we're going to complete the white bottom and this first layer. Let's get to it. One more. And there we have it. White bottom, and that first layer is complete. Next step, we're going to complete this second layer. Let's get to it. There we have it. Bottom side and these first 2 layers. Next, we're going to complete the yellow top. There we have it. So now we just have one more layer to go and we'll be done. Look it over. We see the position of the cube. Notice the position of each of the squares on this particular layer. Now, as you see with that step, we've been able to get each of the squares on their corresponding colors, missing only these three in the center of each of these left on the top layer. Let's finish this bad boy off. There you have it. That completes Rubik's Cube. Congratulations.